My name's Trevor Richardson and I'm the tiler here at ITF. And as you can see, the students are working hard towards their qualification in tiling. So currently, yesterday, we were in the classroom teaching health and safety and all aspects of safety that they need to put into place once they become teachers and start putting towards their learners. As you can see from today, this is their second attempt of tiling, and they're just doing what we call the brick pattern. And so we've learnt quite a lot this morning about keeping the tiles clean, spacing them out correctly, making sure everything's level, and obviously respecting their work areas to keep them clean and tidy while working. So as you can see, the training that we're providing here at ITF is not only important to these learners and students here, but hopefully we want to spread that across the whole of Nigeria to improve the education standard so that all people have the opportunity to go forward and improve and better their lives and hopefully get more sustainable employment. Okay, so could you just tell me what you're doing today?
Okay, we're tiling, wall tiling. This is the bricks pattern, and then this is our second attempt. The first one was wrong, so we try to do it again and get it more professional. All right. So. And
how do you think it's going?
It is better than the first one we did. And we have.
Would you say that you've made some improvements since this morning?
Yes.
And you've learned something throughout the day?
Very well. In one day, and about.
And you're just enjoying the whole process?
Enjoying every bit of it. And then learning too.
Okay, that's good. And what about you, sir?
Good team members.
Are you enjoying the tiling?
Very well, sir.
Okay, have you learnt anything today? And how are you dealing with that learnership that you've actually learned? Are you kind of pleased with it?
Yes.
Do you still want to got the passion to go forward and learn over that? That's fantastic. Thank you very much. Okay, thank you very much. How are you doing, sir? Are you doing okay? And what you? I can see you've done the brick pattern here. It looks very nice. Just be mindful. Look, see that. You don't want that cement to ooze out, because what I'll do, that'll just kind of dry hard, and when you go to grout it, you won't be able to cover that bit because there's glue there. So you need to make sure that all these gaps are free, yeah? See this tile here? It's just sitting a bit low. Once you go up to there, yeah? And put that at the end, yeah? Because if you put it in the middle, it's still going to rot. How are you enjoying it anyway? Are you enjoying the course? Yeah. Have you learned something today? Okay, so we understand that we need to keep the tiles nice and clean. Otherwise it looks like a mess. And if you look around the workshop now, you can see everyone's tiles are quite clean compared to what we did this morning. Okay, so it's really important that we drive this forward, yeah? And we can make loads and loads of patterns up. And what we intend to do, we're going to unscrew your boards and we're going to put them all around the workshop when you've gone. So we can show other learners your different various types of patterns and different tiling skills, yeah? So I'm pleased, thank you very much. Cheers. Guys, are you one of my workers, sir? No. Can you just wait outside, please? Sorry. Guys, we need to keep the noise down, yeah?
Okay.
How are you doing today? Have you finished? Is this yours?
Yeah, this is our own.
Okay. And how are you feeling about tiling today? Are you kind of pleased with what you've done?
Yeah.
You understand the methods of tiling now?
Everything.
Like compared to this morning, having to redo it again, we understand that everything is a lot better. So would you say in your own words that you've learnt something today? Okay, good. All right, so we learnt about cutting, placing the tile on, keeping the tile clean, and mixing the adhesive to the correct consistency, yeah? Okay, it looks great, and it's all nice and level, and it's all done. Thank you very much. Thank you. Wow. Okay, guys. So yes, it's all looking quite nice. It's all level, yeah? You checked it, you've all level? You checked all the levels, yeah? Okay, so have you learnt anything about tiling today? Would you say in your mind that you've learnt something?
Yeah.
I know some of you got previous experience, so I'm just asking you if you've learnt something new today. And you clearly have, yeah? So we understand about keeping the tiles clean, mixing the adhesive correctly, laying it on the board correctly, and obviously setting out the tiles. Setting out the tiles is the most important thing. Right, if we can't set out, we can't lay tiles. If we can't set out, we can't lay bricks. So thing we do in the construction industry means that we need to set out first. We need to have an idea in our head and plan it to what we're going to do. So if I said to you, tomorrow, I want you to tile from here all the way around to that wall, you've got different various obstacles that you need to tackle along the way. So you're going to need to put a ball all the way round to tile. But you'll be starting from the bottom and working your way all the way up. So that same consistency has to roll on each and individual course. That's to roll on. Okay? Well done. Thank you very much.
This wood.
Yeah.